clay, kitchen foil, and the wire. So let's start it. So that's gonna be his head. We're gonna add the foil, okay? So you need to wrap it like a dragon. So for dragon wings, it's slightly, little bit looks like a fairy wing, but a little bit different. And you get here a little bit longer because we're gonna insert to the dragon here. So it's gonna be slightly like that. Alright, adding different wires. Okay, so that's gonna be a little bit longer like that. So wing is nearly ready. Now we're gonna do second one exactly the same like this one. Well, our wings, dragon wing is ready. I forgot to masking tape that. I need to masking tape. Dragon. So we cover up all with masking tape, as you can see, and you need to make sure you put the position which you want your dragon. And my dragon gonna be sit like that, and sit like that. So they're gonna be his wings. His wings gonna be like that. So let's start sculpting his head now. So the clay. So on this video, so that's I just really soft. I'm gonna just we're gonna sculpt the dragon chest like that. Didn't bake yet. This is before I bake. I usually do. So for horn, I'm gonna give this yellowish color because I want to. The dragon looks a little bit yellowish. And we're gonna start sculpting the body and add the wings. Okay, so we're gonna add the wings after bake. So I'm gonna put that in an oven and bake it. Well guys, until our dragon is baking, we're gonna start sculpting the dragon wings. sculpt. We're just gonna correct it. You come back again. What happened? So what happened this time? Okay. Does she upset you again? So I told you need to just get over, you know. You're gonna be fine. Yeah. So we're gonna, guys, so that's the way we insert the wing, and after we sculpting, we correct it, we smooth it. The main thing, we bake the head, and the head is baked, and don't have to worry about we get some damage around the head. And we're gonna insert the wings of dragon. We're just gonna put this one this way, and make sure it's holding. So that's why we know our dragon is inserted, the wing. And now we're gonna build the second one. And we're gonna do the second one exactly the same like this one, and we're gonna insert it this way. So our dragon gonna have the second wing. So friends, I inserted second wing as well to the dragon, and now I'm gonna start sculpting the dragon body and dragon hands and legs, everything. We're gonna start sculpting, and the dragon tail. We're all gonna start sculpting that. So sculpting continue. You don't have to do sculpting on one day. If you did the wings and his head, you just leave it for one day and just have a rest. You don't have to do it in one day, which I'm not doing in one day. It's I just did that yesterday, and today I'm doing the wing, and I'm gonna continue to do the leg. So we're gonna insert the here dragon leg and hands. First we're gonna all cover it with clay, and after we're gonna start giving details and sculpting dragon. So touch that. Okay. Take it again. So we did all the dragon legs, and as you can see, all done. Now we're gonna add a little bit clay here, because there should be a little bit clay here to the tail. So I'm gonna use a Pearl X gray color to the dragon nails or claw. So look at this, guys. We sculpted beautiful, absolutely gorgeous dragon. And whatever you want, guys, just you can do. You just have to focus to your work and get some clay, and don't ignore your imagination, guys. Okay, little dragon, thank you so much for coming to my idea. and thank you so much. You let me to create you and sculpt you. Thank you, my little dragon. And now I hope you're gonna go and find some really good friends. You are my childhood imagination, and I'm so glad you came to me when I was a child. Now you go and fly. Bye.